Well, I just hope she's right. Okay, wishing tree. I wish to have a good man that will love me and adore me and take care of me.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so my name is Nelly and I'm new around here.
I'm Chris. I live around.
Oh wow. Do you have a girlfriend?
What?
Do you have a girlfriend? Like a girlfriend?
No, not really.
Are you married?
No.
That means it's you.
It's me. What are you talking about?
The tree. I mean, where are you going to?
I'm going to my car. It's parked in the parking lot.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, can you drop me off? Please, 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 please.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay, yes, let's go. Wow. He's the one the tree gave me. Let's go.
Pray for a beautiful woman that I can spend the rest of my life with, that I can build with. That's what I wish. And I hope my wish comes true.
See, he used my hat to rub the ground like this.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, darling. See, men are scum.
No.
Girl, men are scum.
Not all men.
Ah.
Yeah.
Which man is making you feel like this?
I've dated some few good ones, so you can tell me that.
Please, oh, show me any good one. Let me see. Let me see. I'm looking for a man.
You're looking for a man?
I'm looking for a man.
That reminds me. Now that we're talking about men, there's something I want to tell you.
What is it about? Money. Money.
Oh,
Hey,
God.
You know I like money.
You
now.
like money. Slow down.
Oh yeah, fine. What does it tell me? Talk to me.
There's a place in this city.
Okay.
I know where. You go there and make a wish and hope it grants it for you.
Like I don't understand, like an open space or what?
No, not an open space. It's actually a tree. Yeah. What's funny? What's funny?
Touch yourself. Are you sick? Are you okay? Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm very okay.
So what is wrong with you? Why are you talking about trees and wishes?
No.
Hey God. See, I told you to stop watching cartoon at this age. You see, it's affecting you.
Babe,
It's
no,
affecting you.
No, I'm not joking. No, I'm serious.
Is it too much? Are you alright?
No, I'm okay. I'm done joking.
Okay. Tell me. Are
I'm
you serious?
I'm very serious now. You think I'm lying? Listen, everyone in this city believes in that particular tree. And if they do, I mean, there must be a reason.
Okay, so I go there.
Yeah?
I make a wish. And then you grant it.
Yes, exactly. So I want you to try it. Go there. Who knows? You can be lucky.
Fine.
You will?
I'll go.
The way you are smiling, you are not serious.
I'll go.
You will?
I'll go.
No, I'm not joking.
I know you're not joking now. I'll go. I've told you I'll go. Yes, I'll go. You show me the place now.
Who knows? Who knows? You never can tell.
Oh, please. Men are still scum.
Men are not scum.
Men are
The
scum.
last guy I dated was very, very okay.
Yes. Where is he now?
It was a...
Sure you're single.
Oh. Where did you get this from?
Girl, I bought it on my way coming. Is it nice?
Very nice. Very good. I like it.
I know. It's okay. Don't finish this thing in my house. Stop it. That your tree will not bring this drink. Well, I just hope she's right.
Okay, wishing tree. I wish to have a good man that will love me and adore me and take care of me.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so my name is Nelly and I'm new around here.
I'm Chris. I live around.
Oh wow. Do you have a girlfriend?
What?
Do you have a girlfriend? Like a girlfriend?
No, not really.
Are you married?
No.
That means it's you.
It's me. What are you talking about?
The tree. I mean, where are you going to?
I'm going to my car. It's parked in the parking lot.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, can you drop me off? Please.
Oh, okay, it's fine.
Okay, yes, let's go. Wow. He's the one the tree gave me. Let's go.
Pray for a beautiful woman that I can spend the rest of my life with, that I can build with. That's what I wish. And I hope my wish comes true. The tree. You saw that the wish, okay. Why are you laughing now? Is it funny?
Sorry. Sorry. You know, I didn't want to say I told you, but I can't help it. I told you.
Everybody in this town believes in that tree. Everybody goes there. Only you. You're the only one that doesn't believe. Oh, of course, you don't believe in anything, so what do you expect? And you laugh.
Bros.
I don't even know why you think they work for this shit.
See, if you want to get paid, go out there. Enter streets. Babes, there are plenty. Fine girls, you know. I go believe, say, 3. 3! Bros, 3, how now?
Well, everybody says he works. He works now. He works.
Okay, how far now? She don't work for you.
Shut up, Okay, you know what? What you doing for yourself? Come they go your house. Come they go your house now.
Go where?
This thing like leper.
Wait. Boy, when you're serious, how you take things in 3? You don't know they move.
Shut up.
Shut up.
So since we're friends now, can I have your number?
We are?
Yes, we are. Oh, are we not?
Oh, sure, we are.
All right. So your number, please. Call it out.
091.
Okay.
777. 32. 12.
Okay.
The name is Chris.
Oh, my name is Nelly, but you can call me Nels, you can call me Babes, you can call me anything you like, just call me anything. I'll call you, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
I'll call you. Keep your phone closed, all right? Bye! See ya! Bye! Cynthia! Come here. What's going on? So first off, that tree worked like magic, like ASAP, girl.
What are you talking about?
Okay, so what I'm talking about is few minutes after I tossed that corn, I met this dashing, sweet, fine guy.
No way!
Yes, girl! Yes, and then he came to drop me off. I have his contact, so we're about to hit things off, girl.
Oh, I told you. I told you that the tree works.
Yes, girl, it worked. If you see this guy, he's handsome, he's sweet, he's like a prince.
Just like the way you love
Just
them.
like I love them, girl.
Is it tall?
His hat, see, the guy is everything. Just trust me. He's every single thing.
For real?
So we have to rush things up. I can't even wait.
I know, baby. Slow down.
Slow down to what?
Beat by beat.
As in how? Is it beat by Daisy headsets? Girl, no. We need to rush things up. The tree has given us ourselves, so we need to rush things up. Girl, come here. I'm happy.
I'm so happy for you too.
Thank you.
Look at my girl. You're so happy.
Yes.
I like that for you.
Thank you, girl. Thank you.
Baby, I'll be staying a couple of days.
In my house?
Yeah.
Oh, girl, this house is your house. Very soon I'll be getting married, so I'll just leave this house for you.
Don't even start with that.
Oh, please.
Don't even start with that.
Upstairs. I think about my man. Here.
Oh my goodness.
Bye.
Here, come, I beg you, never reach like that.
Here.
Here it goes. Never reach that part. I think I need to try that. And go! Hello, baby.
Hi, Chris. This is Nelly. Nelly from earlier today. You dropped me at home earlier. I'm fine, I'm fine. I'm just bored. So maybe we should hang out tomorrow over drinks. What do you think? Okay, fine, fine. Afternoon is good. Afternoon is perfect. We could meet up before you go for your other plans in the evening. How about that? Um, can you hear me? Are you there? Okay, no problem. I'll call you to remind you. Bye. What? Coming.
I know that look. What? So let it out.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you. So, I asked him if he could go on a date with me tomorrow, and he said yes.
Really?
Yes, girl.
Good girl. What? You asked him?
Yes, and he said yes.
Aren't you supposed to be the one doing the agreeing? So what's going on?
What is wrong with you now? You started again. Can you stop this? Look, I asked him for his number and he gave it to me. I asked if we could go on a date tomorrow and he said yes. What's the big deal there?
You asked. Why are you the one asking him? No, this is not how it's supposed to be.
Can you just leave me alone?
No, I will not leave you alone.
What?
Nelly, have mercy on yourself. You're a woman now. This is not your job. I mean, you shouldn't be the one asking a man out. Let him do the talking.
So all the talking that they have been doing, you're still in my house. Single. Single.
Did you just say that to me? Did you just say that to me? No. In fact, you don't deserve
now.
this food. I will eat for both of us. No.
My single
This one
teacher.
pain me.
Sorry,
You just
sis.
insulted me
I'm
now.
sorry.
Do you know that? God, my heart
You know
is
you're my
broken.
teacher, sorry, my single teacher.
If not for one thing.
What? Yeah, just give me my food back. I'll listen to your
Your
promise.
food. But seriously, it's not right.
I know now. I
You're
know.
it's as if you're desperate.
Me?
Yes.
Desperate.
Desperate.
Okay, you that you're not desperate. Now, where's your man? Show me your man. Is he here? So, which one am I gonna wear? This or this one? Let me see. No. This one is fine. I have to look gorgeous on the day I fall in love. Anyway, so with earrings, necklace, this would be nice. Then I'll be staring into his eyes. Okay, so I think we'll get married. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Comes the bride. Yeah. Okay, so let me see which one. This is fine. Man.
Don't worry yourself, okay? He'll be there waiting for me. I called him to remind him.
You what?
I called him to remind him.
What are you saying? You mean you called your date to remind him that both of you have a date?
I did.
Where have you seen such before?
Don't you watch Hollywood movies? You see all these white ladies, they're so cool. As in, sometimes they even engage them. But don't worry, I'm not doing any of that, okay? I made the wish. Allow me live it the way I want to live it, okay? I'll handle it. Now, this is my problem with you. If you're not happy for me, at least pretend to be happy. Is it that hard?
I am happy.
Well, is that how they say you're happy? What is I'm happy? Can't even fake it.
I really don't get this. I mean, you're a woman. He should be the one pushing, not you.
I should be the one pushing too. Let's meet each other halfway. Makes sense like that. Don't you think so? Huh? What do you think?
I wish you the best. What's funny?
Nothing, no. Hey, you don't even know how to pretend.
Please. I don't want to laugh. What?
But, do you know that you stammer? What is I what? What?
Please stop. Stop making me laugh.
I beg, allow me. Hi.
Hey,
Hey.
how are you?
Fine.
Oh, I was 6.
Okay. I don't understand. Why are you dressed like this?
Me?
Yes, you.
Why are you dressed like this? Nelly?
Because this is a date. And I had to look good for you. That's why I'm dressed this way.
A date? I thought you said you needed us to meet and talk. This is how I dress to talk. You're overdressed for this.
What? It's fine, it's okay. Have you ordered anything?
Yeah, I ordered malt. Do you want anything?
Anything you want, it's fine.
Waiter, please make it 2. 2 malts, please.
Look, it's fine. You can actually take it.
Okay, please just...
Hi.
Thank you. No.
No, it's fine. You can actually take it. It's fine.
Okay. Thank you, please. I won't be wrong. Hello?
Why is he dressed like that?
You know what? Don't bother. When we see, I'm going to explain everything to you, okay? No, let me call you. Nelly.
What? You kept me there for over 30 minutes.
Look, I had to take that call, okay? I had to talk to my partner.
Your what?
Oh, no. My business partner.
Oh.
I had to pick the call. I was actually coming inside to thank you for encouraging me to pick the call. I'm sorry, okay?
Fine, let me just go. It's fine.
No. Let's go back inside. Let's go. Sorry. So let's drink.
Chris, I think it's actually time I ask you.
Okay.
Do you stay close to the tree?
Huh?
Yes, I mean the place I saw you at the first time I met you. The wishing tree. Do you stay close to the tree?
What tree? What are you talking about?
Why you look? There's nothing to be ashamed about. Okay, I also went there to make a wish, and then it brought us together.
Nelly, are you serious?
Yes, I mean you went to the tree, right, to make a wish, right?
Nelly, look, you're actually scaring me. So, why would I go to a tree to make a wish about my life? My life is already amazing as it is right now.
For true love. You're a single guy and you want a woman that would love you unconditionally. I'm also single and I went there to make a wish for a man that would love me, and then I saw you. So you see, that tree brought us together. You don't need to be ashamed of it.
You? Why would I want to do that?
What? So it's not. You know what? It's fine. Can we just drink or something? Talk about another topic.
Yes, let's do that. Okay?
Right.
Let's drink.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
I saw you upstairs. I just wanted to tell you that you're beautiful.
Thank you. You see, the funniest thing is, I expected my date to tell me that, but he didn't. Yeah.
Is he blind or something? Because it's evident that you're beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What did he want?
Just hi and a compliment, that's all.
Let's go.
Hey girl.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You don't look cheerful. Is everything okay?
Girl, I'm fine. Just that a few things were off.
Few things. Like what?
Like he came with shorts and slippers, and then I dressed like this. I felt overdressed and I felt like I was doing too much. I felt stupid, girl. He didn't even compliment me. I did my makeup. I dressed like this for him.
For real?
Yes. And then he acted like he didn't know about the wishing tree. Like he made me feel so silly. Like it's strange. I don't understand, but I'm sure he's the one that the tree gave to me. I'm very certain of that.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But
Yes.
I don't think so.
Don't doubt it. I know it. He is the one that the tree gives to me. He just made me feel bad, like I was stupid. I was just saying rubbish. You know what? It's fine, okay? The best part is that he apologized and we're meeting tomorrow.
He apologized.
Yes.
Apologized for not complimenting you.
Oh, girl, stop this now. Yes, he apologized for that. And we're meeting tomorrow. That's all that matters, okay?
So, who asked to meet who? You or him?
Why are you like this now? Why are you just... Does it matter?
I'm asking because I want to know.
I don't know. Well, we are meeting tomorrow. That's all that matters. I don't care about who asked and who did not ask.
I knew it.
What?
You asked him. No, you asked to meet. Why now?
What now?
No, you don't do that.
Can you stop? It does not matter. I've told you before.
It does.
It doesn't.
Listen, you a woman.
Uh-huh.
You have to carry yourself very well and allow the guy do the talking for you.
Is it your wish? I made the wish. The tree gave me my man. Now allow me handle it the way I want to handle it. Sure, we're going to meet. That's all that matters. Girl, chill.
I don't
Chill.
like this. No, I don't.
Please, what am I going to wear the next time we see? Tell me now. I want to look good.
Wear me.
Yeah, come.
Wear me.
Let me check. Okay. This one is too expensive. No. This is too feminine. No. This is perfect. Whew. Okay, let me call her. Okay. Hi. Is this Lisa? Okay, so I saw your flowers online and I love them. They really look really nice. Can you deliver it tomorrow? Morning is fine. Morning, afternoon, anyone that works for you. Okay, yes, morning is fine. All right, thank you. Sure, just send me your details and I'll be expecting you tomorrow. Okay, thanks. Don't worry, baby. I got this.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to that shoot tomorrow. No, I think I should have found a girl by now. She's absolutely fine.
You don't come again with this guy. That's the way you not go. You say you didn't lonely.
But am I not lonely?
Are you lonely?
Of course I'm lonely. Am I going to rely on all these girls? These girls, all they know how to do is transaction. Buy me iPhone, buy me this, take me shopping, make me travel. Is that what we're going to keep doing? I want someone I can build a relationship with, someone I can have something, deep connection with. Not all these transactional girls are big. I'm tired. Mine's not getting younger.
If you talk that one, I understand you, but you go back to that tree. I don't know. I swear God. After all, some people thought it doesn't work for them.
Of course, yes, it works.
Okay. But trust me, if you go back there again and the thing still no work, just know say you will get so much. Like.
You see that you never
No, but I want so many from the tree now. I notice I want so many from the tree.
I'm going to go back there and it's going to work for me.
Okay. I'll be no road again.
You when I saw this girl, my girl that made me kiss her.
So happy.
Yeah.
So what happened this time? She jumped for you. She got you a baby.
She was going out on a date with this guy. And kind of like loving children, but even though the guy didn't look like his international. And then I was dropping on what she was saying. She took another tube.
Alex!
No, check this. See what I've been thinking, man. Is it possible that she wasn't doing me kisses, she was doing kisses for true, thinking that she has found a guy. Then she found that guy.
But what if that guy is actually her guy and then she just wanted to prepare you?
That doesn't make sense. Why she wants to prepare me for what? She doesn't know I'm a stranger.
But it makes sense for this town again. Nothing makes sense again for this town. Even this is when he talks, you don't make sense to me. Now rubbish, it don't make sense.
Okay, shut up, guys, okay.
No, not true, they beat her.
It's okay, don't add this to this.
You never do because the ones who I don't talk past, you no stop. You still continue. So make I keep the talk and she go stop am. I go dey think say tree go give you soulmate, I bet you dey call am. How tree go give you soulmate?
No, you're a sadist. That's what you are.
Okay. Come with me and give you soulmate. Means you are not betrayed. Okay, I see. Forget this tree fantasy. I don't understand you again. I don't know if I don't lose. You don't lose your mind.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. So I thought of you today and I brought this for you.
Wow. You must have gone through a lot to get this. You shouldn't have.
It's okay, I just wanted to surprise you.
Thank you.
Right.
You look beautiful.
Are you okay? You seem uneasy.
Yes, the truth is, I have another meeting here today. For work related.
Okay.
Yeah, but we already had plans for a date and I didn't want to cancel because I wanted us to spend time together. I hope you understand because I still have to work.
I understand.
Why are you smiling?
Well, I'm smiling because we have a lot to do together.
So you're not pissed?
I'm not pissed. Look, you have to work and I have to let you work. So I will see myself out. Okay?
Okay.
Good luck on your meeting.
Yeah, thank you.
You like them?
Yeah, you're amazing.
Bye.
So suffocating. Oh, God, let's just go. Hey, babe, come here. Come here.
The flowers.
Don't worry, it's trash.
Trash.
Come on, babe. I'll explain later, okay?
Okay. Babe, you look good.
You look amazing as well.
You know, I didn't think you were going to make it though. Because you're always busy these days.
Come on, yes, I am busy. But I can never be too busy for my queen.
Okay. I know. The flowers. What's up?
I met it here, so I just had to dump it.
Dump it. Who forgets such beautiful flowers?
Maybe it was from an uninterested lover. Maybe the person who it was giving to didn't want it and so left it here. I chose this table for us already. So when I met it here, I had only one option. So throw it away.
Okay. Just be my fine. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Stop it.
Ooh,
I like it.
I like it. I know you like it. So what's up?
I'm good. Oh shit.
So this is your meeting, right? Is this your meeting? I'm talking to you.
Excuse me. Babe, who is she? What's going on?
Wait, she's calling you babe.
Look, babe, I don't know her, okay?
Is that an engagement? You even engaged her! You engaged her and you lied to me that you had a meeting here!
Nelly, enough!
Enough of what?
Just get out!
You trashed my flowers that I gave to you! I gave you the flowers with all my heart and you trashed it outside!
Babe, please explain what she's talking about. Like flowers. You said you made the flowers and you decided to trash them. What's up? What's going on? What she's talking about?
Babe, I don't know her.
You don't know her? You say you don't know her? I said she bought the flowers for you. How dare you?
Babe, I can't explain.
How dare you lie to me?
Babe, she's crazy.
You've been lying to me all this while.
Babe, no. Babe, look, she's insane. I can't explain everything.
How dare you lie to me?
Babe, she's insane. Let me explain.
She's insane.
Babe, please, let me just explain to you what happened, okay? Exactly what happened.
Oh my God, you expect me to sit here and listen to your lies? You expect me to sit here and listen to you again? You must think I'm stupid.
Babe.
Truly, this is really how it feels to get it hard, shattered into pieces and no room to mend it all. Trying hard to push the past away, but it's difficult. Rising every morning, boy, you're stuck in yesternight, feeling deeply broken, but you can not let it heal. Waving hard to memories, but it's difficult. Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better. So it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind.
It's okay, Nelly. It's going to be fine. You're going to find something that loves you and truly deserves you. Nelly, you're beautiful. And you're going to be fine.
Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind you and move on. Tomorrow is better, though it may seem.
Hi. Remember me?
I don't remember you.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to start with you. But you don't recognize me?
Have you met before?
Yes, twice actually.
Oh.
First time was at the tree. The tree where everyone goes to. You were blowing a kiss. And then, yes, I'm Delulu. I thought the kiss was for me.
I'm sorry,
Second time was at a restaurant. You were with some guy and I told you were beautiful.
It's you.
In flesh and blood.
You were the guy... Wait, at the wishing tree?
Yes, it was me. Wow. I mean, that day that I saw you at the restaurant, I didn't want to be rude. I was going to say, maybe if I could see you again, maybe we could hang out or something. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're not fine. We can take a walk. I mean, this is not the best place to be in this kind of mood. Okay? We can get ice cream on our way or something.
Okay.
You should stop thinking about him. It's not worth it.
I know, I mean, I saw everything, so that's enough for me to stop thinking about him, right?
Yeah. It's painful, yeah?
It's very painful. The thing is, I only pushed because I thought he was single. I never knew that he was dating and engaged. I feel so stupid. I mean, he told me he wasn't, and I believed him.
Don't beat yourself up. I understand. See, sometimes when we're alone, we get so lonely and we make the wrong choices. That's what it is.
Yes, I should stop taking people by their words.
You should. Not everybody is trustworthy.
People lie a lot. Let's do something funny. I'll show you.
Okay. What's that?
Cheers.
Really? Okay. Cheers. Don't worry, you'll be fine, yeah?
Thank you.
It just shows you have a good heart.
Thank you.
Hey.
Look, I told you I was fine. You didn't have to do this.
Well, the thing with me is that I'm a stubborn man. And besides, I needed to see this beautiful man again. I had fun today.
I had fun too. I mean, I had a terrible morning, but you cheered me up, so I should say thank you.
Don't mention it. Wait, mention it. No, don't mention it.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Wait, the next time I'm going to see you, make sure you don't bring your car. So I have a reason to bring you back home.
There's going to be a next time.
You don't want there to be a next time?
Well, I want... Good night, good night, good night. Go.
Good night.
To me, it feels like midnight sunshine. It seems like magic. I cannot see it, but I can feel it strongly. Oh, something is happening to me. It feels like midnight sunshine. It seems like magic. I cannot see it, but I can feel it strongly.
Cynthia! Say a wish and it so comes to pass.
My girl is elected today.
Yes, baby.
It looks like the lover boy behaved well.
Oh, that one? No. Look, girl, as a matter of fact, I ended things with him. You know, I should have listened to you.
You did what?
Yes, I did. I ended things with him.
Why? What happened?
See, forget about that, okay? Out with the old and in with the new.
Please tell me. Just give me details. You know I love to hear.
Okay, fine. Let me help you. Let me just help your life. So first of all, that's the guy I met under the tree.
Okay.
Yes. And I followed your advice. I allowed him to take the lead and he asked me out and I agreed. That's why I came home so late.
As it should be.
Well,
I would have actually loved to sit here and listen to your lover face. But no, I can't. There's a problem.
Oh, you see, this is my problem with you. You can't just allow me enjoy my moment, okay?
Who the hell is Chris?
Wait, why are you talking about Chris? I don't understand. Chris what? Why is this coming up?
Who is Chris?
What happened?
The guy came here and was threatening to break down the door if you don't come out.
Why? Ah.
He said you go around Lagos breaking people's relationships.
Is he mad? I'm supposed to be the one angry here. Girl, that guy lied to me. He deceived me. So what is he saying? Is he crazy? Is he mad?
As a matter of fact, the whole neighbors heard him. Yes. He was screaming on top of his voice.
Everybody heard him.
They heard him.
Oh my goodness.
Listen, you must have done something to this guy. What did you do to him?
Why are you like this? I said he deceived me and he lied to me.
That guy is crazy. And I am very sure he's coming back for you. What?
Sorry, you're still talking.
No, I'm still singing.
Oh, see, look, just forget about that guy, okay? Let me think about my new man.
You don't understand. This guy was very, very angry, very, very serious. Listen, I don't know what you got yourself involved in, but count me out. Do you understand? I don't want to be part of it.
Yeah, since you don't want to allow me rest now, let me leave you and go and enjoy my time, okay?
Oh, God.
I wish and it will come to pass tonight. Ha!
Leave me.
Hey, did you get home safely?
Not yet. I actually am on my way to my friend's place. I need to sort something out. I thought to call you before I get there.
Oh, okay.
Listen, so today I thought I could just really make you feel better. I don't know if I did a good job because I didn't want you to go to bed thinking about that today.
Okay, I wouldn't.
Okay. Good night then.
Okay. Hold on. You said you were at the wishing tree the day you saw me, right? No, but can you tell me what you wished for?
No, it's private, but I can tell you.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry if it's personal. It's okay if you don't want to tell me. It's fine.
I'll tell you on one condition.
Really?
You promise you're gonna date with me.
You're very sneaky. You're just a sneaky human being. Alright.
Come in.
The game not start. They never score. My guy, what's happening?
Bro, what if I told you? You won't believe it.
Yeah. Go. You found someone.
Bro.
Hey!
The tree. The same tree, you don't believe it.
The tree.
That's come through for me.
It's a lie.
I met an amazing. We spent the whole day together.
Already?
That's not all.
So fast.
That's not all. Guess what? I stopped already. This is it. She hasn't said anything, but I believe that the odds are in our favor. I'm sure of that.
Wait. You guys are already my guy, I'm happy for you. Like, I'm really, really happy for you. I would say you just take things.
Listen.
See, I don't want you to get hot.
Ralph.
I know what I'm saying.
Ralph, when you find someone that's different, Baba, you go know. You go know. This one, she's different. Forget.
Why do you think she's different?
Because there's just something about her. I can't place it, but then I know. Man, I can't wait to just dive into this relationship, and then we just
No, just dive in. I want to encourage you. Yeah? You know, say from the beginning, I'm not going to buy it.
Ralph.
No, guy.
Ralph.
Since now, what you want more?
Ralph.
What's happening?
What is it that anything that is sweet and do like this?
We'll talk from now on.
Hello?
When you still asleep?
I'm awake now.
Okay, check your doorstep.
What?
Your morning was ruined yesterday, so I wanted you to wake up to something beautiful.
What have you done this time?
Are you at the door yet?
Yes.
Liar.
Oh, fine, I'm coming.
And this?
Oh, this is so beautiful.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
What about this?
Oh, you know you didn't have to, right?
Well, it's making you smile, isn't it?
Yes.
Anything that'll make you smile. I'll do it every day.
Thank you.
Okay.
I love flowers so much.
I'm glad you do.
Yes. Do you want to come in?
Do I want to come in?
Mm-hmm.
Of course I want to come in.
Okay.
It feels like midnight sunshine, it seems like magic.
Such a nice place.
Thank you. You can sit.
Thanks. I love the decor. It's really good.
Thank you. And thank you for this.
You're welcome. What?
I just feel embarrassed. I mean, you would have told me you were coming. I would have done my makeup.
Come on.
I don't look good.
It's early in the morning, first of all. There's no how you could have done makeup. And besides, you're naturally beautiful. What are you saying?
You know you don't have to lie to me, right?
I am not even lying. I'm serious.
Okay, thank you.
It's not a compliment. You are actually beautiful.
Thank you. I'll believe you. Thanks. So what do I offer you? Can you just wait for me while I go make something for us to eat? Hold on, I'm coming. I'm not expecting anybody.
Did you really think?
What? I didn't order anything.
I sorted food out already. I'm not going to just come to your house and then I expect you to make breakfast for me this early. I ordered this already. So now we can have breakfast.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. I really hope you will like it.
I'll like it. So,
Should we go together while I get plates and serve
Yeah,
this?
why not?
Okay.
Well, I should sit here.
Yes. No, come.
Okay.
Hey, babe. Babe, please. Just listen to what I have to say. Okay? Please.
Are you mad? Are you crazy? Is something wrong with you?
Babe, look. You can't just break up with me based on what a random woman says.
A random woman? A random girl? How about the date you had with her? The flower? The lies you told me? How about that too?
Babe, look. This woman is insane. She's crazy. That's the only logical explanation I have for you right now. Please believe me.
She's
okay?
crazy. She's crazy.
Yes.
The only person crazy is you. The only person that is insane is you. You know what? I'm done. I'm done. I'm tired of all your lies, everything.
Babe,
I'm done.
No, babe.
I can't deal with you. I'm done. You can go ahead and tell everybody that this wedding is over because I'm done. I'm done.
Babe, you can't do it. Babe.
Leave me. Get out. Go to hell for all I care. I'm done.
Babe, please don't do this to me. Babe.
I really enjoyed the food. And I hope you did.
I loved it.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I can always buy food from there for you.
Yes, you can. If it's not too much stress.
What do you mean stress? Of course it's not stress.
Okay. So I have a question for you.
Okay.
Promise you tell me the truth.
Sure, why
You're
not?
not going to lie.
I won't lie.
You're
no.
not going to lie.
No.
Okay, so what did you wish for?
Oh, that. Okay, I can tell you now.
Okay.
I wish for a stable relationship.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, I've been in a few relationships, but then it's never been that deep, you know. It's just fun and vibes. But then I want something hard connecting. Do you get?
Heart connecting.
Yes. Some relationship that both of us will feel each other, we would love deeply. Well, that's why I went to that tree. Sounds silly, but yeah, that's why I went.
No, it's not stupid at all.
Really?
I totally understand. Yes. And you see all those girls that slided you, they're not wise at all.
That's like one of the sweetest things I've heard in a while. Trust me, I've heard sweet things.
Okay.
Hey, guy.
What?
I need to bounce. I was supposed to go to the gym, but then I said, let me come here first, put a smile on your face. Now I have to go back home, get ready for the gym and join the guys.
Oh, that's okay. I'm smiling already, so thank you.
I love it for you.
Okay.
You should join me sometime, you know?
What?
Yeah, like, I can teach you how to box.
Huh? No.
No. It's not.
No.
It's not that serious.
What?
Just, you know, learn a few moves, you know.
What, this is how you do it?
Yeah, I mean.
No, not with my ass and my boobs. I'll be jiggling everywhere. No.
Okay, listen. If you wear like all those like fitted stuff, right? It won't bounce and jiggle so much. But just think about it.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, let me bounce.
Yeah. Can I open this?
Oh, yeah,
Just
sure,
in case
sure,
there's
sure.
a bomb in there.
So you don't trust me?
No, I trust
Okay,
you, but
please-
just in case.
Please open it. I even thought you would have opened it since.
What if it's a bomb?
Okay, then we'll die together.
Huh? No, I don't
we're not
want
gonna
to
die. We're not gonna die.
Okay. Okay, going.
Do you need like drum rolls?
Maybe. Do you have any last words before I open this?
Come on.
Okay, here we go.
Oh,
this is so beautiful.
You like?
I love. Wait, how did you know my size again?
I got my ways.
Bad boy. You're a bad boy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I'm gonna bounce.
Alright, let's go. Thank you.
And you said you're gonna join me sometime, right?
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. Falling helplessly for you, wishing for nothing but just to be with you. 'Cause it seems like magic, feeling butterflies. Truly this is how it feels to be touched by love. To be touched
Thank
by
you.
love. Yeah.
I gotta go.
Yes, it seems like magic.
Alright, let me watch you leave.
Feeling butterflies. Truly this is how it feels to be touched by love. To be touched by love. Yeah, yeah.
Bye.
Taking unawares, your love swept me off my feet.
What is wrong with you? What are you doing here? Huh?
What am I doing here?
Yes.
What am I doing here?
Yes.
You ruined my wedding and you're already in a relationship with another guy? No. This is not how this is going to play.
Look, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. You lied to me. You told me lies and I did what I did. So please, get out.
No!
Get out!
No! My wedding was supposed to be in 3 months. 3 months and you ruined it. So I'm not going to leave. I'm not going to leave you alone. Do you understand me?
Get out!
No, Nelly! Nelly! Open the door! Nelly! Nelly! Open it!
Jesus!
You ruined my life, so I'm going to ruin yours. Open this door! Nelly! Nelly! You have not seen the last of me. I'll be back.
Who is there? Who is there?
It's me. It's Cynthia.
Cynthia. Come.
You know I had to rush down immediately.
I know.
What happened? What is it? Are you okay?
It's Chris.
What?
Chris was here. He was here. He was so angry. He was here.
Chris?
Yes.
The same Chris?
Yes, he was here.
Babe,
What?
this is serious.
I know, it's serious. He's angry.
Listen, I think you should involve the police. I mean, you don't know this guy and what he's capable of.
No.
Please.
No, I can't. What am I going to tell the police? Look, he's just heartbroken, okay? He can't do anything. He can't.
Ah.
Yes.
If you believe that, then why are you this scared? Look at the way you are shivering. You are scared. Please tell. Listen, I don't want to lose you. Tell the police.
No, I can't tell the police. It's okay. maybe someone else. I can't tell the police.
Okay, tell the new guy. Yes.
Alex, no, Alex will leave me. I don't want to bother him with things like that.
Hey!
No, I don't want him to think I have too much baggage. He will leave me, don't worry. I can't tell him, please. I can't.
Is that what you are bothered about?
Yes.
This is a life-threatening matter. You don't want... That guy is crazy.
I know. Look, I've not been able to sleep. I've not been able to sleep since he left. Can you just follow me to my room so that I will sleep?
I should follow you.
Yes.
You are scared. Please.
Let's go.
I am here now. No.
Your voice is loud. What if he hears you?
It's okay.
What if he hears down here?
I'm here now. Nothing will happen.
Okay. Let's go.
But why don't you want to go? God, this is serious.
One leg forward like that.
Okay.
Just follow me.
I'm trying.
One leg forward.
Forward.
No, you can't put the same leg with me. Put this one forward.
Oh, like this? But I like this.
Okay, then I'll stand like this.
Okay, then I like this.
No, you're just joking.
Okay, sorry.
Put your hand like that. Okay? Then put your hands up. You have to maintain the gaze. Right?
Okay.
Clench your fist. Into your fist.
It's because of my nails.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't put them together. Put one
like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then throw your punch like that.
Okay.
But then you have to learn how to dodge. When you throw a punch, dodge.
Mm-hmm.
Throw a punch, you dodge.
Okay.
You see?
Yes.
Okay, you know what? Let me put my hand up. They'll punch.
The two?
One at a time.
The two?
Yeah. No. One at a time.
Okay. One at a time.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that it?
You know what? Put your hands up, let me show you. So, I do this, come back, I do that, come back, do this. Can you see that I'm dodging?
Yes.
Okay, so now.
Okay.
You have to dodge. Because I can go like that.
Oh, okay. I get it now. But wait, stop. I'm tired.
You just tired.
Why am I doing this? I'm a girl. Who's going to come fight me now?
You never know. You might do something. It's self-defense. You're just protecting yourself. I'm telling you.
For you?
No, of course not for me.
From who?
Anybody.
Okay. Please go and give me water.
If you're a boxer, you're not even doing one round.
I know, I'm tired.
Don't worry.
Thank you.
Oh my days.
Love you with all of my heart. Oh, love you. I'm the one who loves you like crazy. Love you with all of my heart. Oh, love you. I'm the one who loves you like crazy. No one knows what it took me, the things that I've been through because of my love for you. No one knows what it took me, the things that
I get it. The last guy I had this kind of conversations with, she got involved in an accident and he died.
I don't know.
That's why I don't want to come up this way because I don't want to lose someone.
I know where I was going as a kid. I said to myself, I'm going to be successful. And I'm going to be rich, of course. Own my own business, do my own thing, have my family. Today.
So how many of those boxes have you ticked?
Oh, except for one.
Which is?
What about you?
Well, I used to tell myself that I'll make so much money, travel around the world.
And you have money now.
I have money now. Just that my friends don't, so I can't travel alone, can I?
But if you were to travel anywhere now, where would you go?
Rome.
What?
Yes, Rome.
Why are you so boring? Rome.
Did you
Are
just
you a
call me?
history student?
Yes, it's an ancient place.
Jeez.
It's significant to the world.
Ah, Lord. I need to go.
Oh, what?
What happened to places like Barbados, Aguila? You know, all these resort places where you can just chill.
You're just a bad boy. That's your problem.
I mean,
what?
These are the places you should go to.
You're looking to see girls with bikinis.
I'm just, you can go there now. But I don't say you have money.
Stop it! I have money. I don't like you.
I love you.
What did you just say?
The thing is, my mouth sometimes moves faster than my head and my thoughts.
I'm not joking. What did you just say? Are you joking or are you serious?
For real?
Are you being serious? Cross your heart.
I cross my heart. And I hope to.
I want you to. But it's not cross my heart and hope to live. It's cross my heart and hope to die.
Well, you ain't gonna die, then someone else is gonna take my place.
I don't think it's possible. Honestly. It's not biting me. Oh no. This is
Yeah, the door by this time now. Jesus!
Hey, shh. Don't you dare. I'm already mad. If you make a sound, you're going to get me more angry. Where is she?
Jesus!
Where is she?
Where is who?
Where is Nelly?
If you don't get out of this house now, I am going to scream! Just leave!
Shh! Before help comes, I would have been done with you already.
Jesus! What are you doing? Shh. What are you doing? I will shout! Shh. Help somebody! Help me! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! What is it? Are you okay? Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! You this time! Leave me! Are you crazy? Leave me! Somebody help me! Oh, somebody! Somebody help me, please!
Where is she? Where are you? Where is she hiding? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she hiding?
Let's go.
Thank you very much. You know, you actually always make me feel like a princess.
Because that's what you are.
Right.
You good?
Always.
This is something I've been thinking about for a while.
What is that?
I feel like I should watch the sunset.
What?
Trust me, you like it. You
Really?
should come. Yeah, I promise.
You know you've been making a lot of promises, right?
And maybe because I've met the one that is connecting with my soul.
How sure are you?
100% sure.
How?
I feel it here.
You know you're a very amazing person, right?
Come here. I wish I could just stay this way for a long time. But I have to go.
I know.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. That was... felt warm.
Yes, it did.
Love you.
Gotta go now.
I gotta go.
With all of my
Yeah.
heart. Oh,
Bye.
Bye.
love you.
Bye. Okay, bye.
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 Loves you like crazy.
Okay. Jesus Christ. Are you okay? What happened? What did this to you? Jesus. Hold on. I'm coming. I'll release you now. So sorry. What happened? Sorry. Oh my goodness. Are you okay? Sorry. I need to pull this.
I'll take this.
Sorry. Sorry, I know you're in pain. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. What happened to you?
It's up to me.
Sorry. Okay, what happened?
That animal came here looking for you.
Chris is here. Where is he? Chris! Where is he? Where's Chris? Is he mad? Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Where is he? Where's Chris?
Listen, if you cannot go to the police, at least you need to tell Alex what's going on.
He doesn't need to know, okay? He doesn't need to know. Just look, I'm sure that if I lock my door properly, he wouldn't be able to come in here and get me, okay? So it's fine. But you need to...
No, it's not fine. It's not! Imagine what would have happened if that guy had met you at home.
I know, but I think you need to stay away from this house for now. I will just be locking my door. Everything will be fine. I just want you to be safe. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay.
Another thing, he went to your room. Maybe he doubted me when I told him you were not home.
Sorry.
I just thought I should let you know that.
Sorry. Are you traumatized?
I am.
I know.
You didn't have seen. That guy is an animal.
I know.
He's a beast.
I know. Look,
I think, where is my car? I need to go. I can't. No, I can't. No.
Hello?
Hey, you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
You don't sound that way to me. This is not how you sound when you're okay.
I'm good. I'm just tired. Did you get home safe?
I did, but with you sounding like that, I'm gonna have to drive back home. Make sure my woman is safe.
No. You don't have to drive back, okay? I'm fine. I'm just tired, I promise.
Fine. Call me first thing in the morning, okay? I need to make sure you're really okay. And if you don't call me, I'm gonna drive over there.
Okay, sure.
I love you. Don't forget that, okay? If you want to talk anytime, just let me know. I'll drive down there straight away.
Okay. Good night. Yeah.
She gets on my nerves. I got you now. Get in. Don't worry, I can't do anything to you here. There are people passing by.
Look, can you just leave my loved ones alone?
Loved ones?
Yes, loved ones.
I have been miserable for weeks. Weeks. And you sit here and talk to me about loved ones.
But my friend did nothing to you. She did absolutely nothing to you, did she? But then you put her into this. Why? Look, we had our moments. Is that not enough for you?
Moments?
Yes, moments.
Nelly, you came into my life with your stories about magic tree that grants wishes, and before I knew it, I was like, oh, okay, let me try to be friendly to see how it goes. And before I knew it, you were already ordering flowers.
That's because you told me that you had nobody. You told me that you were not in a relationship. That was what you told me. You tried to deceive me. In fact, you deceived me and you got served and you were angry because of karma.
I had a wedding, you witch. You came into my life and ruined a relationship of 6 years, 4 months. Look, I am going to ruin you. I am going to ruin your man. You must feel the pain I feel in my chest.
If you do not stop this rubbish, I will involve the police, and I'm serious.
Nelly, you're so dumb.
Can you stop? Fine, wait, stop. I have apologized to you 1,000 times, but you will not hear that, right? Because you're not here for an apology. You're here to taunt me. I will not give you the will to do that to me. I will not.
Look, Nelly, don't do anything stupid. Look, if you try to involve the police, before they get to me, I will get to you. I will ruin you. I will ruin your man. I will make you miserable. I'll make it my life mission to see that you suffer as much as I do. As much as I do right now. Get out. Get out.
Does it mean he's in some sort of danger?
I think so.
Shouldn't we tell him? No, you have to tell him.
No, I can't tell him, okay? He has no business with the details of this mess. Just let it be.
It's not even that serious. It's not like you have cheated on him with this guy.
Look, I know, okay? But look,
Listen, you have to be more open in accepting help from people. Especially the ones that truly loves you. You can never be a burden to them, you know that.
You don't understand. I single-handedly put myself in this mess. So, don't worry, okay? I'll handle it my way. I don't need to tell him anything.
God,
it's okay.
You have to tell him.
No, I don't.
It's not okay.
No. Hold on. I have something to show you, okay? Just wait.
What's this? Oh.
Shoes.
Who owns this?
It's Alex. You see, he's always getting me gifts, so I thought to get him something too. It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, it is. Very nice.
Don't worry, I'll find a way to handle it, okay?
I'm just worried for you.
I know.
It's okay.
Okay. Hey babe, I was about calling you.
Don't tell me you're calling to cancel me. You promised already we're going to see sunset together.
No, I won't counsel on you. That's not it.
Okay, because you have already started thinking about all the good things that we're going to do there, lovely moments we're going to have. I'm on the sunset, just one more cool spot and take pictures. It would be nice, you like it, trust me.
Alex.
Don't say anything. I can imagine our first kiss. I'm on the sunset. It'd be like a memory for all this classic something.
Can we go somewhere more private, like somewhere personal? Just you and I, please.
Somewhere else. Like where?
Well, I think maybe the tree.
This is nice.
I know.
But why did you choose this place though? I mean, you've just gone anywhere else.
Because it's a private place.
It's private, but then people come here a lot, so it's not that private actually.
Well, no one else would stay here to this time except from us.
Well, true.
This is for you.
For me?
Yes,
Okay.
Alex.
What? This is nice. It's nice, I like it.
I'm happy you like it.
Oh, cool stuff.
I want to tell you something.
Before you tell me something, let me tell you a few things. Listen, I'm so happy that we met. I'm so happy that you're in my life, I'm in your life. See, my friends always teasing me that I'll never get a soulmate. He hasn't met you. Because if he meets you, then I found my soulmate.
True.
Yeah. What are you tearing up?
Nothing, I'm happy that I got to meet you.
Oh,
I'm happy that this...
I love you. Oh.
I love you too. I'm just happy that this three made us find each other.
Yes, and our wish came true.
Yes. And that's why we have to break up.
What?
Yes.
That's an expensive joke, don't say that.
I'm not joking. We have to break up. We have to end it here. But look, I don't want you to be sad whenever you think about...
Wait. Why are you saying this?
I feel it's best that we end it here where it all started, okay?
Nelly, please stop what you're saying now.
I love you.
I love you.
Yes, but the world will be safer without us being together, I beg you.
No, don't say that. We're good together.
Don't forget me, okay? Whenever you look at these gifts, just always...
It's not even about the gifts, please. Nelly, I'm begging you, stop this that you're saying. What are you saying? Nelly, did I do something wrong?
No, we just have to break up.
So this is what you wanted, right? To ruin my relationship because you think I ruined yours. And you wanted to hurt him because he was my man, right? Well, I have no man anymore because I ended things with him. Are you happy now? Huh? You know what the funny thing is? I used to be sorry for you. I felt like you lost your relationship and you're devastated, but you crossed the line. You crossed the line by trying to ruin my relationship and hurt people that I love. Get out of my phone.
This is really how it feels to get it hard, shattered into pieces and no room to mend it all. Trying hard to push the past away, but it's difficult. Rising every morning, boy, you're stuck in yesternight, feeling deeply broken, but you can not let it heal. Waving hard to memories, but it's difficult. Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better, though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better. Need a woman place, but you cannot leave the cold. Hungry for
I know you don't know me, but it doesn't matter. Yes, it's a very urgent. I want to discuss a very urgent matter with you. We need to talk. Yes.
Need a woman place, but you cannot leave the cold. Hungry for the light, but you can not leave the dark. Close your eyes and kiss your past goodbye. It's difficult. Though it must seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind you and move on. Tomorrow is better, though it may seem
What?
fading away.
Jesus. What? Jesus. How is this happening? What? Oh. No. No. Hello? No, Chris, please, I beg you. It has not come to this. It has not come to this, Chris. No, you can't come in. If you want to talk, let's talk outside. I beg you. Look, are you mad? So you entered into my house and planted a recorder in my room? Are you insane? No, Chris.
Listen, I've got just one wish for you. You are going to go to my ex and explain everything that happened, how it happened.
And you were threatening me with pictures that you took from my room without my consent because you planted a camera without me knowing? How can I trust someone like you?
Okay, and so what?
Okay, what? Have you for once thought about it? Maybe she did not leave you because of what happened. Maybe she has seen prior signs of you being mad.
Shut up! Shut up!
No, I would not. You're here devastated because she left you, but you were trying to play two people. This is not on me. This is on you.
No, it's not.
It is.
I was on my own before you came with this train nonsense.
And then you felt like you can use me, right? You felt like you could use me to satisfy yourself, right? Well, good riddance to you.
How dare you?
Stop, why are you angry?
How dare you?
Angry? Stop it! Don't hurt me, I beg.
You! This is the thank you I get from showing you those.
Shut up! One thing that you will never do is lie against the one that I love or try to blackmail her. Do you hear me?
Oh, you don't know what you've gotten yourself into.
Oh, newsflash. You don't know what you've gotten yourself into because the police will be at your house very soon. Yeah, let that sink in. They know everything. And I beg you, please, just one more time, try to leak those photos. You'll be a dead man. Get your sorry ass out of here. Is this the reason why you broke up with me?
No.
Something I could have handled in minutes.
I know, but he threatened to hurt you, and I know he's capable of it.
I don't care what he's capable of doing. I will protect you. That's my job. That's what love is. Love is not running.
Alex.
spoke with Cynthia. She told me everything. How he's been trying to blackmail. This guy's been trying to blackmail you and you didn't tell me. Then he sent me photos. I was so upset. I'm like, this guy's going to go to your house. And he was here.
I'm sorry. I was trying to...
See, listen, you don't run. Love is not running.
I know. I didn't want him to hurt you.
It's fine. It's fine.
Really? You're forgiving me?
Yeah. It's okay.
So, you're forgiving me, right?
No.
What? What is it?
You owe me an apology date. Okay? For hurting me and for today.
Is that all?
No.
What else do you want?
Flowers. Loads of them. As tall as me.
Okay. I'll get you flowers.
Come here. I love you.
Oh.
Stop. Protect you.
Okay. Okay. So, let me allow you go prepare for our date.
Yes. But come and lock the door because that guy might just come out. He won't dare, but then let's just be safe. Small punch.
Bye.
The one who loves you with all my heart. Oh, I'm the one who loves you with all my heart. Oh, the one who loves you with all my heart. There's a special kind of joy your smile brings to my face. Tears of joy in my eyes, peace from depth eyes can't reach. This can only be true love.
Oh my goodness.
This can
Hi, baby.
Drop dead gorgeous.
Anyways, you said that you wanted flowers, big ones, and this is the biggest I've gotten any man. It's for you, baby.
Thank you. But look at your dress.
Stop.
Then your shoes.
You like it?
You're an angel. He said, okay, so why are we the only ones here? Where are the other cars?
Let's say a very pretty lady booked the whole restaurant for her very deserving boyfriend.
You don't say.
Yes, I see, baby.
You're full of surprises tonight, right?
Yes, baby.
What if I tell you that you don't deserve to walk in those shoes into the restaurant?
How?
I'll show you. Follow me.
What?
This is how we're going to the restaurant.
Oh, sexy.
Love is all that matters. Love is all that matters. Love is all that matters. This can only be true love. This can only be true love. My soul desire, my peace and comfort. so